So welcome to another episode of Yak. Nah, I play.
Yak.
Okay, no.
No, this is Yak.
This is Yak.
This is Yak.
It's the same set.
It's the same. Look
It
at
looks
it.
like the
It
same
is
plate.
Normally there will be people behind the scene on the
Yeah.
Yak with girls, so
Yes.
they are not here. So
Okay.
we're doing a special episode of Yak.
Okay.
Cooking episode. So
Yes.
today we'll be cooking. What we're cooking?
Okay. No, before we start, let's introduce ourselves. They haven't seen us before. We're always behind, the, camera.
behind the camera.
Okay, now we're in front.
This is Nosa, the producer, director, cameraman, sound system, all of the above.
Okay.
Osaro.
Yeah. Executive
Producer. Yak.
Uh-huh.
Okay, Idia
Yeah.
Film Inc. So we will be doing this vlog.
He's also in charge of casting. So
Yeah,
anybody you see on Idia Films,
if they're good or bad, it's on me, okay?
it's on him. Okay.
Okay, so now we are going to do a special segment of Yak. And this is a cooking segment. We're going to make a good African dish, actually Nigerian dish.
Cooking.
Yes, the more popular one.
But some people say men don't know how to cook.
Oh, trust me, we do.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think most men know how to cook. They just shy to go to the kitchen.
You're going to be doing the cooking today.
I'll
be following you. I'm learning.
Whatever you want to know, you
Yes.
ask me, I'll explain to you.
Okay.
It's very simple.
Okay.
I do have my own special recipe of making Nigerian stew.
Nigerian stew.
Yeah, the stew, today we'll be doing neck bone instead of oxtail.
Neck bone. What type of animal? Neck
Beef. We're doing the beef.
Beef?
The clear beef.
Okay.
100% lean beef, American
Okay.
FDA approved beef.
All right.
And we'll probably put some smoked turkey for the flavor.
Yes.
And probably a vegetable on the side. But today, that's what we're doing. We're going to make it, we'll simplify it to the simplest form of cooking stew
Okay.
and rice.
Okay.
So hopefully by the time we're done, we'll have some guests audience to try it out.
All
What
right.
do you think?
All right. It sounds good.
Okay?
Yeah.
So let's do this.
All right.
Man cooking.
Yes.
Man in the kitchen.
No, man, you.
Oh.
I'm just watching. I'm watching. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go do this. And we'll come back and explain to you right here with the food.
All right.
And hopefully we can get some audience to send us some feedback.
Okay. Okay.
So stay tuned, we'll be right back. So as a matter of fact, come to the kitchen. Let's go.
All right.
Yes. Then we can go. Okay, yes, here we go. So the final step right here is to boil, season, cook the meat very well. So today, like I said, we're doing the neck bone. So this is neck bones fresh. See, one by one. So this cooking is good for African e-commerce. So probably maybe right here. So put a little water. Okay, this much water. Okay, that's what you need. Okay, so if I need to put some water in it, I will add to it. Now this is the second part of the beef. This is the smoked turkey. Okay, it's been pre-boiled, pre-smoked, and pre-salted. Okay, to keep it fresh. This one. Now these are dry yellow onions, kind of sweet, to season the neck bone. Brother, just like that. Okay, there's just nothing but seasoning it. It's sweet and it's you can tell. So a little of curry powder, just a little, not much. Okay, just for the men of a certain age, you don't want to put too much of it. Tiny salt. Salt is not too good for you, my baby.
More salt.
With a little dry thyme.
Okay.
Just to spice it a little bit, okay? Okay, that's what you need. So these are the vegetables.
Yeah.
We're going to cut it up. There we go. The net bone cooking. Okay, that's how it should look. Okay. So let's go back in there. What we are doing here, the chicken with vegetables being cleaned out. There you go. Doesn't add anything to you. You don't get fat. These are vegetable. Okay, even though these are beers.
What's that?
Okay, this is not part of the recipe. So you need it to be in the mood of cooking.
Yeah.
Your mood, it makes a whole lot different when you're cooking. If you're in a very good mood, the food come out real delicious. If you're in a real shitty mood, trust me.
What's that? Grape juice?
No, it's not grape juice. This is African wine from Nigeria. So I'm gonna use all of them. I'm gonna use half of this. I'm gonna add it to the tomato. Okay. So now this goes straight right there. Scotch. In there. This is an addition to all the other additions that people use all the time. This is nothing but dry shrimp.
Dry shrimp?
Nigeria shrimp from the wild. This is not.
I thought Nigerians only use that for soup.
No. Well, maybe they do, but I use it for this too. There we go. A little bit of water. Now, while it blends, okay. Put aside. So get all those tomatoes, red pepper, and yeah, blend that all together. Okay, easily. There we go. Now we're about to check it. Looks good. We're doing well. There we go. So now we are going to fry the blended vegetable, okay? With, it could be any oil, but I use vegetable oil. Pour this vegetable oil, yeah? It could be a lot, but don't forget, when we are done.
Why so much oil?
Okay, it's much oil because you need to fry the vegetable. And 95-99% of this will be gone when we're done. So I'm gonna pour it back out, okay? You can save it, you can reuse it again if you want to. So now, it's away, gonna be ready, there we go. Like
you said 5 minutes, 10 minutes ago.
Okay, yeah, that's what that was 5 minutes of cooking time, different. Cooking time different.
Okay.
So, yeah, so right now we can do some
We're
more.
using Nigeria time.
Yes, some more sipping of African wine.
All right.
Straight from Zululand.
Okay.
Well, not 2 minutes. It's good enough. So we're gonna put this in here. Okay. The first time, all the vegetable pour in here. All at once. There we go. See? Now it's frying. Actually, it looks like it's boiling, but it's frying it because we have a lot of oil in it. Okay, oil coming up. So when the oil comes up all the way up, then we know it's done. Right now, we still have like about 25 minutes to go. There you go. See? It's all dried down. And small turkey, of course, all dried out. And the go. Okay. Put it back in there.
That's it. Oil.
Yep.
Just drink. Okay.
Put it back in there, let it cook for a little while. Now this oil right here is flavored. The vegetable oil, which you can reuse and reuse if you want to. So normally you save it down when it cool down, pour it back in an empty bottle. Yeah. Right ready. So now you can set the rice. Well, ahead of time. You're gonna put that there. So this is yours. Want some more?
No, that's enough.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay, so more?
No, that's
sure?
enough. Yeah.
Well, that's a neighbor.
That's good.
That's a neighbor with no bone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The moment of truth.
But the trees here.
Let's see if your stuff is as good
As I said,
as you
it's
said.
claim.
Yes.
As popular claim by
Yes.
everybody. So hey, there we go. So this is how you do it. You don't just
Well, you mix it.
yeah,
You gotta mix it.
see, it's how you're missing it.
There's a science to mixing the rice.
No worry, see. So that's how you know it's good because look at it. Okay. You close your mouth first. Okay. You know it's hot. So you let it cool down. A little bit because
Okay. This is good.
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ladies, if you don't know how to cook, just call me. Guys, you do the same thing for your wife, your children. They're in school, they're at work, you're up there, go to the store, buy all the ingredients. You can call me personally. I will just tell you how to do it step by step. Until you can
They watch our video over and over.
you watch
again.
our video all over again. You know what to do. Okay? This is very good.
You don't have to call it.
This is very
Keep
good.
watching.
Okay?
Man, the neck bone is so soft. I like it.
See, eating meat doesn't mean you gotta eat meat. It means like you lose your teeth.
I don't want to.